Hey guys, it's dinner time and I am making space in my freezer. So I'm doing 10 dumplings, which is the last of the pack. And I had a lot of questions on this last time, so I'm going to take a photo of all of the packets and then I'll post it at the end of this video. This is vinegar, dumpling vinegar that you can get from Chinatown supermarket. You don't need too much. When the dumplings taste good, you don't need to for me, I don't like putting soy sauce and chili all over it because I just find it too salty. These are pickled vegetables that are just absolutely beautiful. I think I'm just gonna have the rest of this pack, to be honest. They're so, that flavor. You guys need to try it. I'll take a photo of that and I'll show you. Honestly, try it. I can't explain the flavor. Sorry guys, I feel ravenous again. These dumplings are really good. The only thing is that some of them are broken in a packet. So that happens. Can you see? The skin is broken. But because the skin quality is so thick and good, it still holds together. Get all of that out. Wow. That flavor. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? Those vegetables are I'm running out of time. But I hope you have a good evening and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. I thought I'd come back and show you the end product.